Hello again, this is Michael Kinsler here from Qtellvoipwholesale Limited, franchise partner from Marley's Wholesale. Moving on to the next tutorial, we're on to the text pages, which I showed you earlier on. Now, these here are about us, so if you just click on there, and this will have it on here. This is all about us, and this is the HTML. It's basically the same format. First of all, you got to look here to the top. Short name, and then you got to put an underscore in between them. Okay, so when you add this, you put about us, but in between there you put an underscore. So each then after that you put an underscore, the next word, underscore, the next word, and so forth. And this would be about us. Is this page visible? Now you have an option there, and you have the priority. And meta keywords, again, you put these in here. And the meta title, you put that in there, just to give you an example. That's how it works. And then you use the about us, and that's basically what that is there. And you can scroll down there. Then you have it. Do you want it on the top or the bottom? Now you can actually have it yes and no in each one, and I'll just show you that there, webpage. About us shows there, and about us shows down here. So let's click on that. It doesn't matter which one you click on, if it's the top one or the bottom one, it will go to the same URL, and that's the URL up there. Now this is all about me, all the stuff. I've put in a little mail to there, so you can actually click on me. If you click on that there, it goes straight to mail to, which is Outlook Express for me. So anybody surfing my website can see there's my email address, and they can send an email straight directly to me. You notice that most of my pictures, not in this particular case, but will have writing on them. I haven't got hyperlinks on them. I also have a couple of forms which I made up myself, which are free, and I'll show you later on how to get them. So you can make your own forms out. You can make 30 forms altogether, and these are fairly easy to make, and fairly easy to put in the code. And basically it gives option for your website. So moving back again, I will go back into my admins. So what I would do now is I will come out of this, and what I'll do is I'll add a new page. So I'm going to add a new. So here we go. So I'm just going to call it test underscore test. So this is the title of it. So it's test. Is the page going to be visible? Yeah. So I've got all the keywords here now. So I'm just going to put down test, comma test, etc. And then the title, whatever you want to call it, about us, whatever you want to call it. And same with the description. You'll put up the top or the bottom. So I'm going to keep it away from the top this time, and I'm just going to put it in the bottom. Again, we still got to edit the HTML online. So we can write in whatever we want in here, and we can edit pictures exactly the same as you were uploading a product. So I'm just going to put test in here, and I'm just going to make it big, make it 7, and there we go. Save the changes, and bring in my website, and refresh the page, and then you will notice that the test will come. Test will be at the bottom, and see if we can find it. So where are we looking at now? We don't see it here now. So there's obviously been a mistake on my part. Okay, so we'll have a look at that. The mistake. It's not up the top. I don't see it there. Okay. Oh, your new page has been successfully added. Let's have a look at it, see if it's still here. And I don't see it. Terms. No, I don't see it there. So, okay, we'll just move into the page. So we need to edit the text pages and find out why it's not showing on the bottom. We'll go into test. Ah, that's why. You see the way I set it up to no on the bottom? So we change that to yes. And we save the changes. Bring back in the web page. Open that up and then we refresh the web page. And you'll see the test down the bottom now. And that's basically about how you, there we go, test. Click on that. And there you have the test. And we can have a range of writing in the center. You'll notice that then each one, because I never changed the settings on the boxes, that each one does carry to the line, carry pages. So if anybody wants to click on anything here, they can go straight to it. So now we can delete that. So we go back into edit text pages. And we delete that. So just delete it there. Last queue, yeah. Delete it. Take back in this again. Refresh. Move down to where we are. And you'll see that test is gone. Okay, this is my Qtellvoipwholesale Limited, franchise partner from Marley's Wholesale, and I'll catch you on the next tutorial. Thank you.